Good evening to everybody. Welcome to once again to my Eduada channel. So right now I am going to make you learning about how to learn that English language. You know that life is actually is a process that starts from the morning to evening, and what we just do that from morning to evening, that we require some sorts of skill, that unless until we will not learn about the that skill, we cannot master about that particular skill. So likewise the English is actually a particular skill. That is, that what are the key points to know about that English. I said in my previous class, it is called as the what the words are the words and the vocabularies are the actually the materials that we can run out English language. So it is, I said in my previous video. Right now I am saying that what are the things that we have to know, that we have to become very choosy one. That means what are happening from morning to night, what are the things that we are doing, what are the things that we are talking, and what are the things that we are going to have a plan. So that we have to know at least. After that we can talk English very fluently. So you know that fluency is not a matter. The matter is that how far we are very conscious about a particular word. That means it is very essential to remember and to know about actually in daily day-to-day life what are the uses of that words. So many words are there, so that we have to see that and we have to remember that. So that's why I said to you that what are actually the daily uses words, we have to remember that. Likewise, suppose for the beginning, means for if you start the English language from the beginning, that means as a beginner we have to know about, that there are lots of words are there. Suppose it is the words that foods, that related to the foods. That means we have to know that different types of foods are there, right? So what are that? See that the fruits, that we have to know that different type of fruits, that different types of breakfast, there were different type of lunch, different type of the dinner. So these are the words we have to know that. Right now suppose you know about that, suppose I am giving a lesson about that teaching, at least we have to know that. So different type of teaching methods are there, different type of books are there, different type of language skills are there. So that is. And if we'll talk about what, suppose I am saying about my the body structure, at least we have to know about that, what are the kinds of, how many kinds of body structures are there. Okay, so these are the basic points we have to learn. So if you cannot learn about that, you cannot access, you cannot see, and you cannot also judge that what are the language that is actually used for that, right? So and now it is the second almost essential part, is that to learn that English. That suppose I am traveling, so I am traveling on the road, so I wanted to talk with that English, right? So now we have to know that different words related to the road. That means road, that the street. Okay, so then afterward it is the gutter, where is the drainage, the water. So these are the things that we have to talk, means what we want. So we have to remember that words, and we have to find out that words from the newspaper, and also we have to do the practice, right? By taking some words from the newspaper, by taking from the some words from the that the social medias. So these are the things we have to do that, right? And most of the people, they said that it is not possible to learn that language from the newspaper and the social medias. Okay, that's right. But thing is that what you have to do, that we have to make a plan, right? So I said what we actually required, what we actually know, and what actually in our daily day-to-day life, what we actually see, what we observe, and what we experience. I said in that my previous video that thought is actually the thought is the prime motive. So from that everything that build up. Okay, so it is the things that I wanted to tell. And in the second video I will also come and I will tell about the second session.